Windmills of My Hair, and today I'm going to try out the Amika hair mask. It's a shine mask, so I'm excited to try it out. I want my hair to look really shiny. Okay, I'm back, and this is how my hair looks all wet. Ooh. But I'm going to dry it now after using the Amika mask. Hi, I'm back. I did this blow dry and it's super fuzzy, so I don't think I'm gonna buy this product again, but I am gonna go back and read the directions. Maybe you don't rinse it out. I don't know. Let me go back and read them and I'll give you an update, but yeah, can you see? That's what happened. That doesn't look shiny. So I don't want to diss on this brand because I've used their stuff. I love their spray. They have a spray. I'll do a video on that to cancel this one out because the flash thing didn't work on me. But I'll do another video on their shine spray because I know that works. They sent us that for Speechless when I worked on Speechless, and it would make everybody's hair so gorgeous, and I do back that product. This one I can't say I like. It just kind of, this is the result and I'm not happy with that, but I'm gonna go put their shine spray on and blow dry it with that, and that'll make up for it. Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and I want to finish this blow dry. I'm gonna use, I couldn't find the Amika Shine Spray, and that's a bummer because it is really good. I probably used it all up. And this is a good one too. I found this one in my kit. It's the Kerastase. I used Kerastase on an actress who had really kinky curly hair, and she used to get a lot of frizz up the top. And anything from Kerastase seemed to work on her. It was brilliant, really. I was so lucky to find this brand. You can get it at CVS now. This is called Oleo Relax. So I'm gonna spray some. And as you can see, like already, it's just kind of calming down. So I'm sorry I didn't totally love the Amika. The Kerastase helped to, you know, get some of this frizz down, but honestly, I didn't want my hair all oily, and I couldn't find the shine spray in my kit because honestly, I probably used it all. It was that good, and we used it all the time on a show I worked on for I worked on that show a couple seasons, but totally great product, but just not that mask. That mask was like, yuck.